Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Amazing Civil Engineering Studies. In today's video we are going to discuss about brickwork calculation, materials, and labor requirement for brickwork. Types of brick masonry. Stretcher bond. As the name itself suggests, stretcher bond is formed by laying bricks horizontally as stretchers on the faces of walls. The length of the bricks is along the horizontal direction of the wall. Stretcher bond is used when walls of half brick thickness are to be constructed. The average size of the brick is 9 cm x 9 cm x 18 cm. If the wall of thickness 9 cm is to be constructed, then stretcher bond can be used. Header bond. A header is the shorter face of the brick as seen in the elevation. In a standard brick it is 90 mm x 90 mm face. In header bond brick masonry all the bricks are arranged in the header courses as shown in figure. This type of bond is useful for the construction of 1 brick thick walls. English bond. In this alternate courses consist of headers and stretchers. This is considered to be the strongest bond. Hence it is commonly used bond for the walls of all thicknesses. To break continuity of vertical joints a brick is cut lengthwise into 2 halves and used in the beginning and end of a wall after first header. This is called queen closer. Figure shows typical 1 brick and 1½ brick thick wall with English bond. Flemish bond. In this type of bond each course comprises of alternate header and stretcher. Alternate courses start with stretcher and header. To break the vertical joints queen closers are required, if a course starts with header. Every header is centrally supported on the stretcher below it. At present stretcher bond and header bond masonry are not in practice. English and Flemish bond structure are now built. For easy illustration purpose, let us take stretcher bond brick masonry to evaluate. If you close look the above image, you can observe some data for upcoming quantity evaluation. From the above image, I have listed some important data. Length of the wall in its direction is 10.3. Height of the wall in its direction is 9.11. Thickness of the wall in Z direction is 0.9. Number of courses in its direction is 13 number. Number of courses in its direction is 34 number. Number of courses in Z direction is 2 number. Size of the brick is 9 x 4.25 x 3. Mortar thickness is 1/2 in all mortar joints. There are 3 types mortar joints, namely bed joints, head joints, stretcher joints. Total volume of masonry is 76.25 cff. 3D image of single brick with mortar. 3D image of single brick without mortar. From the above 2 images, what you learn? You can notice some. I have listed below. Size of brick is 9 times 4.25 times 3 and volume is 114.75 cubic inches. Size of brick with mortar is 9.5 times 4.5 times 3.5 and volume is 149.625 cubic inches. Each brick having 6 faces, 2 header, 2 stretcher, 2 bed. Points to remember. Brick masonry consists of bricks and cement mortar. If we divide the total volume of masonry volume by 1 brick with mortar volume, we can arrive total number of bricks. If we deduct 1 single brick volume from 1 brick with mortar volume, we can arrive mortar volume for 1 brick. Then we can multiply with total No of bricks. Then we can achieve the total volume of mortar. We have already total masonry volume, 76.25 cubic feet. Also we have volume of 1 brick with mortar, 149.625 cubic inches. Also we have volume of 1 brick without mortar, 114.75 cubic inches. Brickwork calculation. From the image, we can achieve the brick numbers is 880 numbers. See figure. From the below image, we can arrive the wet mortar volume as 17.76 cubic feet. Cement and sand. Now, we have only wet volume. In order to convert it to dry volume, you need to multiply with a constant of 1.27. The question is why? You can understand the concept from following pictures. Now, we can easily arrive the cement and sand quantities. Dry volume equals 1.27 times 17.76 equals 22.56 cubic feet. Sand is 5 part of total 6 part. So 5/6 times 22.56 equals 18.80 cubic feet. Cement is 1 part of total 6 part. So 1/6 times 22.56 equals 3.76 cubic feet. 50 kilograms equals 1.25 cubic feet of cement, equals 150.6 kilograms. Materials needed. No. Description. Quantity for 76.25 cubic feet 1. Brick. 880 numbers 2. Sand. 18.86 cubic feet 3. Cement. 150.6 kilograms. Labor needed. To work out labor requirements, some points must be considered. Labor task or outturn is not uniform. It depends upon various factors like labor skill, where the work site, etc. All over the world, there are different types of anatomy. Even though, let us take Indian labor condition. One number means one labor work for 8 hours in a day. Sister no description. Quantity for 76.25 cubic feet 1 MASON first class. 0.102 MASON second class. 1.53 MALE Mazdor. 1.54 female Mazdor. 1.55 Waterman. 0.43 What we learn. There may be so many types of brick bonds, so many thickness of wall like 9 wall, 4.5 thick wall, half brick wall, full brick wall. First of all, analyze the structure and understand the concept. Then, take the volume for one brick with and without mortar. From that you can evaluate the entire quantities. Thanks for watching. For now, please subscribe, like, share and do not forget to press bell icon.